Here's a specialty Mustang, unique specialty in classics. 2011 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 convertible. Two-owner car, clean Carfax, actual miles. Just a little over 18,000 is all in this car. Kona blue metallic with dark charcoal interior. Take a look at this front fascia. Of course, the Shelby Cobra logo on the grille. Dual overhead cam, 5.4 liter supercharged V8 underneath that hood. 6-speed manual transmission, and it will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. SVT wheels, big Brembo brakes. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. This vehicle does have the electronics package as well as the SVT performance package. Power cloth top. We're going to put that up here at the end of the video so you can see the condition of that. Functions as it should. Of course, bucket seats, suede inserts. There's that 6-speed center console. Of course, Microsoft Sync system in the Fords. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a peek down here, you're going to see Borla exhaust. Also comes with the convertible boot or parade boot. We do have it folded up there, go back in the trunk. Extra set of floor mats, and those will go in the box right there and back in the trunk. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do have a open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to take a peek at this car. If you can't make it yourself due to time or distance maybe, report back to you, not a problem. Try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken, and of course the walk-around video like this. And you're even going to get to take a little ride in this car, a virtual ride. Video coming up after this one, and you can see the driver's side not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. You'll find a few spots where maybe it's been touched up, a little bit of touch-up paint, previous owner, but overall this car definitely shows nice. I'll show you what I'm talking about as far as an example. Something like that right there, very small. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. All right, door panels, of course, your modern amenities that you're going to have on a later model car. Power locks, mirrors, windows. This particular one, power seat on the driver's side. It's a GT500 floor mats. Of course, the seats, leather seating surface, a little bit of wear in the bolster, but I guess that's kind of what you can expect with the natural leather hide, and it will wear some. Rear seat doesn't look like it's been sat in a whole lot. All right, of course, steering wheel controls, driver's information center. Does have the key with key fob. See that? Let's fire it up. Let's hear it run. Oh, you gotta like that Borla exhaust. There's your exact miles. You can see that 18,687. And if you watch my videos before, that's kind of flashing. That's due to the phase in the video. And on the camera, it's not doing that in person, just so you know. Gauge is all working. Top of the dash. Looks good. Stereo system.
Instead,
we'll also have the media, the map, all the good stuff that your Microsoft Sync system is going to have. Dual climate control. Of course, the shaker stereo system. Let's get around to the back of this car so we can hear it run. Nice deep throaty growl out of that Borla. One of my favorites. front. I'm going to pause this a second. I'll need to get that hood open, prop rod up. So give me a second, we'll get the hood open, check out that engine bay, and we'll take a peek at the convertible top. Here we go, hood pops. SVT, cold air intake. Of course, the hand-built V8 dual overhead cam. That plaque right there has the name of the two individuals that built it. Hood liner, nice and clean. Car doesn't appear to be driven in much for any sort of inclement weather or anything like that. There it is. A few aftermarket caps on the oil, coolant, as well as the brake fluid. Got your intercooler fluid also. Looks good, sounds good. What you'd expect. Looks pretty stock too, with the exception of those caps, of course. Alright. And one last thing. Let's get this convertible top up. Check that out. We'll wrap up this video. And here's the convertible top up. Nice tight fit above the windshield. I did roll up the side glass too. You can see how that fits. Fits good. So black fabric or black cloth top. Have not noticed much really of anything for wear on it. Glass rear window, rear defrost. Guessing the top has probably spent more time down than up, which I can see why, having a nice convertible like this. But if you need it to keep you out of the rain, brief shower let's say, or maybe you want the AC on and it's warm, put the top up. It's going to work just fine for either one. Side glass fits well also. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan may be extendable out to 10. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 2011 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 convertible. Low miles, clean Carfax. 2 owner, no accidents indicated. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 2011 Ford Shelby GT500. This is a 6-speed manual right here in the center console. Lovely blue color on this car. It is a convertible and we do have the top up right now. Great sound to this car as well. It's very easy to get going faster than you should in this car. It likes to go fast and sounds great. Shaker stereo. Working well. And comfortable leather bucket seats in this car. Our fuel gauge is full. The temperature gauge is right in the middle. And oil pressure is about 2/3 of the way up the gauge. I'm gonna put the window down a sec so you can hear it a little better. Sound. This car has Borla tips on it. If we let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Easy to drive, easy to have fun in. Smooth ride. Just a really nice, good looking Shelby